dark nights, and I've been out on life's raging seas, and I was always there by faith alone. Never was my sight known, but always I found his eyes were watching me, and the anchor holds, though the ship is battered. The anchor holds, though the sails are told. I have fallen on my knees as I face my raging sea. The anchor would hold in spite of the storm. I had my visions, and as a young man, I dreamed big dreams. And then one day, I held them all in my hands. But there's one thing I never knew, and that was someday I'd watch them all slip through my hands like they were only grains of sand. And then I met Jesus, and the anchor holds. Oh, the ship is battered. The anchor holds. Oh, the sails are told. And I have fallen on my knees as I face a raging sea. Always the anchor would hold in spite of the storm. I once was young, and you can see I'm older now. And he's been with me all the way. Together we've been through the heat, we've been through the cold, and he's kept me all the way. And still the anchor holds. Though this old ship is battered, the anchor, it still holds. Though these old sails are torn, and to this day I fall on my knees when I face a raging sea, and you can too. It doesn't matter what it is, you too will find it'll hold in spite of your storm. The anchor holds.
natural evolutionary response to the unknown. We humans have developed fear over millions of years to help us cope with the dangerous world around us. But you're not living in a cave. You don't fear getting eaten alive, and yet you fear something as small as switching from your old laptop to a new Chromebook. One boots up as fast as 6 seconds, the other takes forever. One has built-in virus protection, the other should be quarantined. So why haven't you switched? To understand, we need to go where fear starts, in the brain. You want to switch to Chromebook, but your amygdala is saying, I'm scared, while your prefrontal cortex is saying, but you need a new laptop. It's like your cave person brain just wants to run, while your modern brain is saying, chill out, dog. It's just a Chromebook. You shouldn't fear switching to Chromebook. It's a good decision. But sometimes it's hard to let go of a bad decision. In behavioral economics, this principle is commonly known as the sunk cost fallacy. Let me give you an example. Let's say you paid for a vacation months in advance, and you work hard, you deserve it. But when you arrive, there's a giant storm, and you're determined to stick it out because you've already paid for it. But just like your old laptop, you should probably just let go. But I get it. Fear of loss can cause irrational attachment to things familiar to us. It's called the status quo bias. My old friend. We've been through a lot together. You know, you weren't supposed to see that. But there's constant updates, patches, it never ends. Not to mention it takes forever to start up. And it won't be long before it freezes. Or worse. But when you switch to Chromebook, which starts up fast and updates automatically with no interruptions, you don't have to worry about any of that. And if you lose it for whatever reason, all your stuff is safely backed up on the cloud. And it works offline, even with Netflix, which is good, because I have a flight to catch. Remember, when we overcome our fears, we can accomplish great things. So don't let fear win. Switch to Chromebook.
On August 23rd, we're gonna fall. You keep moving, okay? Before summer falls. Light. It